The closed loop, network automation safe to execute. In today's networks, the gap between detecting a problem and fixing it can mean the difference between seamless service and an SLA breach. What if that gap could shrink to milliseconds? Modern networks generate millions of events every second. Alarms, performance metrics, topology changes, subscriber state updates. But human operators can't keep up. Manual triage takes minutes to hours, and by the time a decision is made, the damage is done. Open-loop automation tries to help, but acting without real-time context is risky. Siloed systems compound the problem. No single platform has the full picture needed for safe decisions. The result? Outages, SLA breaches, and lost revenue. Closed-loop automation changes everything. It follows a continuous cycle: sense, decide, act, and verify. Network events are ingested in real time: alarms, KPIs, topology changes. These events are enriched with stateful context stored in Vault active data, subscriber profiles, network topology, SLA rules. Machine learning models then classify and score each situation. Based on that intelligence, the system executes safe, targeted actions back into the network. And critically, the outcomes feed back as new events, so the loop verifies and adapts. All of this happens in milliseconds, not minutes. Here's how the architecture works. Network elements, base stations, routers, core functions, continuously emit events. These stream into Vault active data through Kafka or direct ingest. Inside Vault, stored procedures enrich each event with the context that matters. Who is this subscriber? What is their SLA? What does the current network topology look like? ML models then score the situation. Is this an anomaly, congestion event, or equipment failure? The decision engine evaluates the scores against policy rules and triggers the right action. Allocate a network slice, reroute traffic, or throttle a flow. The results feed back as new events, closing the loop. Why Vault active data at the center of this loop? Because safe automation demands both speed and correctness. Vault delivers sub-10 millisecond decision latency, fast enough for 5G and beyond. Every decision is backed by full ACID transactions, guaranteeing consistent, safe state changes even under extreme load. The platform handles millions of decisions per second while maintaining a complete, real-time view of subscriber profiles, network topology, and SLA rules. It's a single platform for ingest, enrich, decide, and act. Let's look at specific use cases. In 5G network slicing, Vault dynamically allocates slices based on real-time demand, QoS requirements, and subscriber priority, adjusting in milliseconds as conditions change. For traffic rerouting, the system detects congestion or failures and automatically optimizes paths before users even notice. When ML models detect anomalies, unusual traffic patterns, potential security threats, the loop triggers immediate, context-aware mitigation. And for policy enforcement, Vault ensures SLA compliance, fair use rules, and security policies are applied in real time across millions of subscribers simultaneously. The key benefits of this approach are clear. Millisecond decisions, from event to action in under 10 milliseconds, fast enough for the most demanding 5G use cases. Safe execution. ACID transactions ensure every automated action is consistent and reversible, so automation never makes things worse. Scalable intelligence. Process millions of events per second with full stateful context and ML enrichment. And operational simplicity. One platform replaces a complex patchwork of point solutions, reducing cost and operational risk. The numbers speak for themselves. Over 1 million decisions per second, each completed in under 10 milliseconds end-to-end. Tier 1 telecom operators around the world trust Vault active data to power their most critical real-time network automation. The closed loop runs 24/7, 365 days a year, always on, always safe. Ready to close the loop? Visit voltactivedata.com to learn more about real-time network automation with Volt Active Data. Contact our sales team to see the platform in action. The closed loop, safe to execute. Volt Active Data, always on, always ready.